Hello, it's ScrawlrBox time. We're gonna unbox this thing and then we're gonna do the challenge. Let's see what we got. Boom. We've got, whoa, we've got our supplies flying out. Oh my goodness, we have a whole book instead of paper. As usual, we have our print and our artist. All right, let's see what we've got. I feel like there's a lot in here this time. Okay, we've got our list of supplies, and I thought it was really cute that their sticker isn't just a gradient, but it's like a little scribble of colors. I like that. Nice variety. All right, so obviously the first thing we have here is the, how do I even say this? Term? It's a jot book, medium, A5. I can see it came in purple. So glad I got this teal color because I actually love this teal color. Hate purple. I've heard that every time I say I hate purple, I lose 10 subscribers, so goodbye. Okay, wow, there's just so much to go through, so let's start off with the candy. Is this the whistle thing? Melody pops, you eat the candy, and then there's a whistle and you can blow it. Fun times. Oh, I just realized the list is backwards. Let's start from the front. All right, things are looking pretty pastel. At first, we've got these Staedtler Ergo Soft 157 pencils in pink, purple, and tealy blue. Oh my gosh, look, you can actually write your name on the pencil. This reminds me of a lot of Japanese supplies. The watercolors I recently used in a video, and all of the erasers have little places you can put your name. It's so cute. Next up, we have Bic Crystal Fun Ballpoint pens, again in a pink, purple, and bluey teal color. I see a theme here. Next up, we have this white pen. It is a Pentel Hybrid DX white gel pen. A big, fat, heavy-duty boy. Next is this Kohinoor Jumbo Graphite Stick. I'll say it's jumbo, pure graphite, just a big, fat, thick boy. We've got lots of thick boys in this box. Our Helix Oxford ballpoint pen in black, which honestly just looks like a $1 ballpoint pen, but we will see. And by dollar, I mean $1 for a pack of 10. The Kohinoor 1860 graphite pencil. The, you guessed it, Kohinoor 6312 eraser pencil. Oh no, not a fan of these, but we will see. And last but not least, you guessed it, the Kohinoor paper stump / blender. Wow, that is a lot of pens and pencils. Let's see what the challenge is. We have, we have body parts. Do not tempt me with pastel gore, ScrawlrBox. Do not tempt me. All right, you know what I was thinking we could do today? We're not even going to try the supplies. We're just gonna jump right into it. I cannot get this plastic off. We're just gonna jump right into it because I feel like it. So this book looks really cool. I like the color. The cover feels really nice. What are these stickers? Please use this self-adhesive label for labeling your jot book. Don't mind if I do. Let's use this red sticker because why not? All right, let's see what this book's all about. Our name, don't mind if I do. Why do I keep saying that? All right, my name, Kasey Golden, that's right. That's actually my real name. All right, and my address, let's see, 1, 2, 3, Totally Real Road. And I definitely live in Reelsville, where people are getting arrested. Keeping it real. So the postal codes in Canada are letter, number, letter, number, letter, number. So we've got to come up with something funny. So like, A, 5, S, 3, A7. You know, ass eat. I'm 5 years old. Great, I'm glad I spent this art video making up a really stupid address. Oh, this page is really thick. Didn't expect that. All right. Oh, okay, the contents. Wait a second. Oh my gosh, okay. Well, now I kind of feel sad that I just made this into a joke. The numbers are paged. The pages are numbered. This would be really cool if you wanted to like make a comic book or something. You have like your chapters or something. You can actually put the numbers of the pages for each chapter and then you can go in here and like draw your thing. It's already labeled. Like, I know you could do that yourself. I mean, that's so easy. Just number your own pages and then make your own table of contents page, but that's pretty cool. That's pretty neat. I could organize these by my body parts. We could have eyeballs, and we could have hands and feet and legs and arms and noses and eyes, and I already said eyeballs and ears and wieners. What? Okay. Page 1 is, it's me. Let's just, whatever. Does it look like I know what I'm doing? Let's see if I can label 26 body parts. Obviously, I'm not a body part, so let's see. We've got eyes. I skipped pink. How many of you guys are bothered by that? Oh no. Oh no. Heads. You know, the old crotch. I just realized that body parts also means like not just humans. We can do dogs. And we can't end without, I know I already have crotches, but what about nudes? Wow, I'm glad we got to plan that out. Let's just, all right, so I said the first page was going to be me because I'm self-centered. Sometimes you just have to be self-centered. We're going to dissect me really quick. Why did I make my forehead so big? Uggaroonie. Wait, what's going on? Oh no! Oh no! ScrawlrBox challenged me to draw gore, so we're going for, oh, I can't draw myself naked. Hold on, we'll do the old like underwear bit. Wow, I did not mean to make myself that thick. I don't think I'm that blessed, but you know, whatever, I guess that's where we are. It's not currently broken at the moment, but it was broken a few years ago. So that's the perfect spot to dissect my leg, except it broke in the middle down here, but that's fine. This is like a dissection of my style and how I draw different body parts. This is so similar to that doll thing I drew. It looks almost just like it. Oopsie. I am curious to see how these pins are going to work with each other. I feel like, I don't know, some of them might make others smear a little bit, but I guess we'll see, huh? Okay, what I think about this ballpoint pen right now is it really does just kind of feel like a pen that you can buy at a, I don't know, an office store for 10 in a pack. It's doing that thing where a bunch of the ink kind of like balls up on the tip and you feel like you have to get rid of it. As you can see, this is my little scribble sheet. There's like little clumps where like you write and then you have to like get the clumps off. So that's not cool. I hope this pen didn't cost a lot. Oh no, it's smearing. That's what I get for cheating. Oh no. Also, my hand picked up some ink and then put it on the paper over here. So far, I don't really care for this pen. Oh no. No! I mean, I know it's just a ballpoint pen, but what the heck. The outside of these pencils feel very matte. It's very interesting. I'm kind of blending them out right now, but I do want to use the blender to see how it works. In fact, let's just go ahead. Oh gosh. You know what I need? I need blue and white striped clothes because that's my brand. This is me if I were to ever color my hair purple. Wow, I'm beautiful. Should we add some shading with this graphite stick? Oh right, the blending stick. Is that what you use this guy for? Smooth gradient, beautiful. I actually quite like the texture of the pencil as opposed to a perfect gradient. I don't really care for that perfect gradientness. All right, y'all, you know what time it is. Time to embarrass myself with some realism. I think it was looking pretty good for a second there, and then I overworked some parts and then it just went downhill, so. Oh gosh, oh boy. What the, it looks like a bone. The nose looks like a bone, okay? I admit it. I just added too much darkness to too many places and then it just became outlined and then it was really bad. Okay, but real talk, this is actually how I used to draw noses as a kid. That's pretty cute, right? I should go back to drawing noses as a kid like that. Okay, well look, this is exactly why We have a whole page spread dedicated to noses that we can do later on, so, you know, we'll just, we'll keep working on it. We'll keep working on it, for sure. You know, something to work on. Nobody's perfect the first time around. You just gotta practice. Okay, let's see if I can't fare a little bit easier with an eyeball, shall we? Got a few wrinkles under my eyes because I'm old and tired. Always old and tired. I mean, the eye definitely turned out much better than the nose did, but I mean, is that really saying anything? It wasn't hard to do better than that. That doesn't even look like an ear, it just looks like stuff happening. Oh my word. That doesn't even look like anything. Okay, it definitely looks more like an ear now that I put hair around it. Oh, I didn't leave room for the toes. No. Well, I tried to erase this so that I could actually put a whole foot in there, and it didn't work, so I don't know what to do about this little guy now. I guess we're just not gonna draw a foot. Look at me, I'm a little foot. Just hanging out. Let's draw my thumb for this one. We're just gonna draw a little thumb. Why do I keep drawing so big in these things? There's not enough room. Oh my gosh. Let me draw where my leg is broken. I'll show you. So this is my broken bone. It's beautiful. This is supposed to look like an x-ray or something. So yeah, that's what this is. This is an x-ray. All right, well, once again, I have embarrassed myself with my lack of realism. Haven't practiced since that prompt where I attempted realism. That was a long time ago. And I haven't practiced it since. Am I going to art hell for not practicing my realism? Absolutely, I'm going to hell. But at least we enjoyed the journey to hell, right? I mean, we got to make fun of the way I draw noses and learn the only thing I can really draw realistically is an eyeball because probably it's the easiest. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that little doodle session. I'll see you next time. Bye.